So here we have a question. 20 minus 6 divide 3 plus 4 multiply 2. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, and also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question we have one subtraction, one division, one addition, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 20 minus, now solve this division, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 plus 4 multiply 2. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. Okay. So is equal to 20 minus 2. Now 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8, so plus 8. So now here we have subtraction and here we have one addition, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 20 minus 2 is equal to 18 plus 8. So now 18 plus 8 is equal to 24. Okay. 18 plus 8, 26, sorry. So the correct answer is 26.